Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the destination and closing Steam. First, make sure your target drive has ample free space and create a new folder named something clear, for example D/Steam library. Once done, fully exit Steam from the system tray so no files are locked. This prevents copy errors. Now reopen Steam as an administrator if possible, then navigate to Settings, right arrow Downloads, right arrow Steam library folders. This gets you ready to add the new library and move games without reinstalling them. Once the new folder exists, add it inside Steam's library folders. Click Add Library Folder and choose the folder you created. Steam will register that path for installs. Then, test moving a single game. Go to your library, right-click the game, choose Properties, right arrow Local Files, right arrow Move Install Folder, and pick the new library. The client transfers files and updates pointers, which is faster than a full reinstall. If that succeeds, repeat for other games or use the console for batch moves, but always verify each transfer. If you need to move the entire Steam application rather than just libraries, back up the Steam apps and user data folders first. That preserves installed games and settings. Close Steam, copy the whole Steam folder to the new drive, then run Steam. Exe from that new location. The client will update and revalidate game files. If Steam reports missing files or errors, shut down, restore your backup, and instead use the Add Library and Move Install Folder process. Key tip: if something fails, restore backups before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.